may mga portions doon na pwede na sabihing credible, pero may mga questionable. Number one, sinabi lang 805 billion yung napunta, yung pinamahagi o napunta kay Congressman Saldico. Well, from 2023 to 2025, ang total amount ng flood control projects, 1.13 trillion. So kung ang napunta kay Congressman Saldico allegedly 805, that's at least 70% of the total appropriations for the same period sa flood control projects. So puro cost na yung nandun. Saan manggagaling yung napunta kay Bernardo? Saan ang napunta kay Alcantara? Second, as we speak, sumulat na ako sa Philippine Navy, Philippine Army, to conduct record check and background investigation on the 18 Philippine Navy and Army personnel. May initial information from the Philippine Navy na yung iba dishonorably discharged. A number of them were never members of the Philippine Navy. So doon pa lang, makukwestiyon natin yung credibility ng source. If true, kasi media lang ito. That's why I'm formalizing it by way of an official letter to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, attention to the Philippine Navy. And after all the verification, evaluation, then probably, yes. Pa isang observation, the timing, parang nakatiming to, bakit yung ICC ngayon na nakapokus? Ang pinoproject doon is napaka-corrupt ng ICC, di ba? Nilagyan ng $2 million, allegedly, through former Senator Trillanes. Another one, timing nila, bisperas noong Trillion March, yung 40th anniversary ng EDSA. Another observation, parang kung gano'n ang mga pinagbibigyan, parang kulang yung listahan. Sa akin kung ako yung mukhang merong political color, not just political color, mukhang merong destabilization na aspect. That's my own opinion.